I'm Lawrence Richey. I've been with AFS for 15 years, and I'm the production manager for the concrete raising division of the company. Some of the symptoms that homeowners can easily see are cracks, uneven areas of concrete where there may be a trip hazard or a lip where one slab has settled beside another section. A lot of times there's voids or unsupported concrete that doesn't have any visual symptoms at that time, but that's one thing. If it's not addressed, it will eventually fail because it is unsupported, and that's something our inspectors can determine when they come out to do an inspection. They have different means of determining. Here we've got voids in different areas, and you can be proactive and address those before they become an issue. Our installers will come out, drill small unobtrusive holes roughly the size of a dime. Then we'll inject the chemicals underneath the slab, and they'll stay liquid and flow for several seconds, and then they start reacting and expanding and filling in the cavities, any open voids, any areas of least resistance. They'll fill that in, and we continue to add material so that it continues to expand, and that will compact and compress the underlying backfill, and it will do that until it's solid and firm enough that it can support the concrete so that it can't move any in the future, and where necessary and if possible it will raise it back to its original poured position. Like in our DOT work that we do in Chattanooga, they can put full interstate grade traffic back onto their roads within 30 minutes. So for homeowners, the same thing applies. So as quickly as we clean up, get the dust swept up, and get the truck, say, off the driveway, homeowners can drive their car back onto the driveway. They can park it in their garage. Patio and porch furniture can be put back immediately thereafter and put everything back into service and use the same day within just minutes of us finishing the work. So it is a permanent repair. It's not a temporary repair. It's not a Band-Aid to get you by. It is permanent. The foam itself lasts well over 1,000 years in laboratory tests, so this is going to be something that's going to be there forever. Visually, you still have your existing concrete that matches. You don't have unmatching new concrete like if you had to demo and repour new concrete. So it is a quicker process. This is usually done in much less than a full day, and you're back in service within minutes of us completing the project. Well, if homeowners have an area that they would like to have us take a look at, that has some symptoms or they're suspicious of, or just want to be proactive and ensure they don't have any problems in the future, all they have to do is give us a call. We can come out and give a thorough inspection of the concrete, make sure you don't have any issues underlying that you may not be aware of, and also while they're there, they can do an inspection of the rest of the property. So any other issues and areas that we deal with, they can give you a free estimate, and it's a free inspection to determine any issues that you may have.